It was fun to work with them. Definitely learned a lot, and the rapport that we built on set is actually is very true to if your viewers have seen the trailer. Tahanan Homes, it's like a community. It represents for me, I think it represents like us as Filipinos and how we are with our families, with our community, with our environment, mga kapitbahay natin, kabarangay natin. So parang ganun talaga yung naging rapport namin sa set.
Kami naman, mapapanood mo dito yung sense of community, na sense of family. Tatak Star Cinema talaga yung movie na to na meron kang friends, meron kang families, yung kahit hindi mo kamag-anak, kadugo, pero pamilya sila. And isa sa mga exciting part dito is yung narrator namin ay isang guinea pig na si Cookie yung pangalan na ang boses ay si Melay. Melay Cativeros. So, it's a fun movie and I hope everyone gets to watch this inside the theater para magkaroon ng
Communal experience.
communal experience yung tinatawag, yung sabay-sabay tatawa, sabay-sabay may experience kung ano yung mapapanood nila sa big screen.
Right. Iba yung feeling, no, when we're
Diba?
watching a film. Tapos yung
Yes!
mga kasama mo, narinig mo na tumatawa.
Yes, so matatawa ka na lang din. So feel good siya for 2 hours. Kaysa mag-isa ka manood sa kung saan ka man. Ito, kahit di mo kakilala, kasabay mo silang tatawa at kikiligin.